हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू फूड एग्री क्लासेस। माई सेल्फ लक्ष्मीकांत रावत। तो आज हम आपके लिए लाए हैं रिएक्शन इन्वॉल्व ड्यूरिंग डीप फ्राइंग ऑफ फूड। वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशन नेक्स्ट जो वीडियो आने वाली है उसका नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके। तो इस वीडियो में हम रिएक्शन इन्वॉल्व ड्यूरिंग डीप फ्राइंग ऑफ फूड्स के बारे में पढ़ाएंगे। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ। डीप फ्राइंग इज one of the method of food preparation used both in home and industry. Several food products like potato chips, meat, fish, etc. prepared by frying into fat oblique oil heated to about 180 degrees Celsius. After some time frying process, the food article is sufficiently cooked to be consumed due to prolonged heating at a very high temperature. Substantially change take place in chemical and physical property, fat or oils. The change taking place in fat oblique oil during frying affect the quality of fat oil being used and quality of finished food. When period of frying is short, the change the mostly desirable as their improvement in organoleptic quality of product due to the production of described flavor and aroma. During such a short period, characterization the concentration of undesirable compound originated due to the heating do not cause any problem. In continuous deep fat frying, large quantities of fat are absorbed by food. This has no be replenished by fresh frying oil. तो यहाँ बताया गया है कि हम किसी भी फूड प्रोडक्ट को डीप फ्राइंग करके इम्प्रूव फ्लेवर, कलर एंड टेक्सचर मतलब एंड आल्सो extend the shelf life that product. Next, behavior of frying oil. Different classes of compounds produced from oil during fat frying. These compounds are given below. First, volatiles. Oxidative reaction involve formation and decomposition of hydroperoxide lead to production of saturated and unsaturated aldehydes, ketones, hydrocarbon, lactones, alcohol, acid, and ester. The amount of volatile produced vary widely depending on types of oil, types of food, and extent heat treatment. Generally, reach plateau value because balance achieved between formation of volatiles and their loss due to evaporation and decomposition. Non-polymeric polar compound of moderate volatiles. Example, hydroxyl and epoxy acid produced through oxidative pathway. Next, dimeric polymeric acids, glyceraldehydes uh, occur from thermal and oxidative free radical through polymerization of the radicals, which result in the substantially increased viscosity of frying oil. Free fatty acid arise from hydrolysis of triglycerides in presence of heat and water. Next, these reactions are responsible for various physical and chemical changes in the frying. So what is change during the frying? Here, increase in viscosity and foaming tendency, change in color and flavor, decrease in iodine value and surface tension, change in refractive index. Behavior of food during frying. Event occur during frying of food. Water is continuously released from the food into hot oil that produce a steam distillation effect, sweeping volatile oxidative products from the oil. The released moisture against the oil and hastens hydrolysis, blanket blanket of steam formed above the surface of the oil tend to reduce the amount of oxygen available for oxidation. Volatiles may develop in food itself and or from the interaction between food and oil. Food absorbs varying amount of oil during deep fat frying. Sizable amount of oil oblique fat are carried with the food 5 to 40% by weight. Example, potato chips have a final fat content of about 35%, resulting in need for addition of fresh oil. Food itself can release some of its endogenous lipids into frying oil and fat. Example, fat from chickens. Consequently, oxidative stability of new mixture may be different from that the original frying oil oblique fat presence of the food cause the oil fat to darken at an accelerated rate. Next, change in frying medium. Hydrolysis, uh, sorry, hydrolysis, oxidation, polymerization are due to chemical reaction take place during fat frying. And कौन कौन सी रिएक्शन होती है? हाइड्रोलिसिस, ऑक्सीडेशन एंड पॉलिमराइजेशन. तो व्हाट फैक्टर इन्फ्लुएंस द प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ ब्रेक डाउन कंपोनेंट इन वेजिटेबल्स ऑयल. और जब हम कुकिंग करते हैं तो कौन कौन से फैक्टर होने चाहिए? टेम्परेचर, प्रेजेंस ऑफ O2, हीटिंग टाइम एंड फ्राइंग कैपेसिटी. टेम्परेचर, मेथड ऑफ हीट ट्रांसफर, presence of O2, metal in contact with oil, heating time, turnover and frying capacity, nature of food being fried. Various chemical change commonly observed are oxidation and decomposition. Oxidation and decomposition. Release of moisture, high temperature and exposure to atmospheric O2 during frying of fat favor the oxidation of frying medium. As food enter oil, oxygen is introduced into the oil leading to oxidative changes. After an initial incubation induction period, the peroxidase content of food beginning to increase and finally decreases. The major reaction occurring during the auto-oxidation include degradation reaction resulting in the formation of volatile compound. Auto-oxidation of unsaturated fatty acid sorry Auto-oxidation of unsaturated fatty acid lead to formation of conjugated hydroperoxide and peroxide which decompose to form volatile aldehyde, ketone, acid and alcohol hydrocarbons. Next, thermal oxidation. Thermal oxidation, the process also occur when oil is heated at high temperature into presence of O2. The thermal oxidation result. What is result of thermal oxidation? Formation of free fatty acid due to cleavage and oxidation of double bonds. Formation of hydroperoxide which may undergo fission to form alcohol, aldehyde and acid which contribute darkening of frying medium and flavor change. Dehydration from ketones. Formation of free radical followed by their combination to form dimer, trimer, epoxidase, alcohol and hydrocarbon, all of which contribute to increase the viscosity of the oil. During deep fat frying, thermal and oxidative decomposition of oil produce volatile and non-volatile products. Next, volatile composition and non-volatile composition. Volatile, most of them are removed by steam generated during frying. They contribute flavor to deep fried product. Unsaturated, example, unsaturated lactones. Non-volatile, non-volatile Non-volatile decomposition products, these are formed largely due to the thermal oxidation and polymerization of unsaturated fatty acid present in frying medium. These products include polymeric, triglyceride, cyclic acid, fatty acid, and other oxidative products. These products include polymeric, triglycerides, cyclic acid, and fatty acid, and other oxidative products. The accumulation of these products is responsible for change which increase in FFA content, carbonyl value, OH content, and sulfonification value, and decrease in unsaturated fatty acid resultant decrease in iodine value. Such change are also accompanied by increase in viscosity and refractivity index. Polymerization reaction क्या है? The oxidation and thermal alteration product undergo polymerization forming gum and residue. Reaction between fatty acid and same different triglyceride form cyclic and non-cyclic dimer and other polymeric compound involve carbon to carbon link and oxygen bonding. Thermal polymerization of unsaturated fatty acid also yield cyclic monomer, dimer, trimer, and hydrogen polymer. The rate of polymerization engaged with in unsaturated of triglyceride and frying time. This result on change in molecular weight, viscosity, heat transfer rate, forming darkening of color and gum accumulation. Polymerization also cause increased absorption of fat by food, making it unadaptable and greasy. Next, hydrolysis. Moisture that is continuously released from the food during frying bring about hydrolysis of fat, causing an increase in acidity. हाइड्रोलाइसिस जो करता है इंक्रीज करता है एसिडिटी को एंड पॉलीमराइजेशन कॉज करता है एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ फैट्स and initial formation of FFA, mono and diglyceride and glycerol soap of some fatty acid are also formed which accelerated the deterioration of frying medium. Accumulation of alkaline material decrease in interfacial tension between the product and frying medium and decrease the food quality. Liberation of the FFAs cause a decrease in smoke point of oil, viscosity, color, and iodine value of hydrogenated oils change more rapidly at FFA level of maximum 1.5 percentage. थैंक यू गाइज. वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.